everyone. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. Today's Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to all my new YouTube subscribers. Today's Friday, which means I either have a tip, a technique, or a trick to share with you today. And a few weeks ago over on my blog, I shared this card, and it's got these little 1-inch squares, and I used the detailed trio punch. But what I found was when I cut my 1-inch little squares, I had a hard time putting it into the punch. So I found if I took a sticky note, picked up my 1-inch square, and I stuck it in and punched, it punched it exactly where it needed to be, right in the corner. Great placement. And also, sometimes when you're working on a project, you have little cutout pieces, and you want to, you don't want to waste this. So basically, you stamp your greeting, and then you come with your punch, and this doesn't quite, you've got no handle to hold it. So it makes it a little challenging. And I know for me, I used to come in with my paper piercer. I had a dollop of glue in the back, and I would try and move it and get it where it needs to be. But by using a sticky note, again, you're just going to attach it to your circle. It gives you a great place to hold the piece. And then you can put it in there and line it up right where it needs to be. And then you can just punch that out. Great little tip, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of the products that I used, I will have them linked down in the description below, which will take you over to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over to my website. And again, I'll have that linked in the description. And I hope everybody has a wonderful and safe weekend, and I hope you'll join me again on Monday. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.